Hi kids, welcome to the party. Today we are getting our friend Caillou off to school. So we're going to get him all packed up with lunch and everything he needs to have a great day at school. So let's take a look at Caillou's box. Here's Caillou and his family and friends. Caillou pretending to be a pirate. Caillou's family and friends. And Caillou pretending to be a captain. We love Caillou's imagination. Okay, let's get started. Caillou is going to need a notepad so he can take notes in class. Put that in. We have stickers here for Caillou, just for fun. Caillou is going to need crayons so he can color all of his projects. Yellow, brown, red, purple, blue, black, orange, and green. So that goes in the box for Caillou. Here's a Caillou blowout. So I think Caillou can use this when it's recess. So he'll have a little something to play with, right? I think Caillou will have fun with that. Don't you think? Okay. Caillou can't go to school without lunch, so let's make lunch for Caillou. First, we'll pack his plate. Then a knife, butter knife, a fork, a couple of strawberries, so he'll have fruit for his lunch. There you go, Caillou. Strawberries, chocolate milk. So now let's make the rest of Caillou's lunch. We have tan Play-Doh, brown Play-Doh, cream colored Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, green Play-Doh, and red Play-Doh. We'll make Caillou's sandwich first using the cream Play-Doh for the bread. Perfect. Now we need one more. Voila! Now we'll use the tan Play-Doh to make Caillou some turkey. So turkey is not really shaped all that precisely, so we'll just roll it out a little. Here's some turkey for, okay, put that on the bread. Sandwich needs some lettuce, so we'll use the green Play-Doh. roll out a little lettuce for our sandwich. Here's our lettuce, nice and crinkly, just like real lettuce. Put that on the sandwich. Can't have lettuce without tomato. So here's our red Play-Doh for tomato. It's hard to see because the table is red. I'm going to use this little press to make a nice tomato slice. Here we go, isn't that cute? Put that on the sandwich. Let's make one more. There it is. Now let's put Caillou's sandwich all together. And here's the finished product. Look at that, nice healthy lunch for Caillou. So I'll just take this plastic wrap and wrap up Caillou's sandwich so he can take it with him for his awesome day at school. There it is. There you go, Caillou. Caillou needs treats for his lunch, so I'll take the brown Play-Doh and make him a few cookies. I'll use this cutout to make a cookie. Let's make one more for Caillou. And now let's use the yellow Play-Doh to make Caillou a few lemon cookies. Yummy! Almost looks like a big Cheez-It. So now Caillou is ready to go to school. So thanks for watching. I hope Caillou has a good day at school, and I hope you have a blessed day as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.